Hi everyone and welcome to Titan's TradeCraft video series for the Capspray X HVLP sprayers. In this setup video, we'll walk through how to get your Capspray X ready for the job site and review some important safety information. First, choose the proper projector set to achieve the desired finish with your material. The Maxim 2 gun in the Capspray X comes with the number 3 projector set installed. If your material requires a different size, you'll need to replace it before spraying. To replace the projector set, remove the air cap ring, air cap, and spring plate. Then, remove the fluid nozzle using the included nozzle wrench. Next, slightly loosen the packing nut in front of the trigger to reduce the chance of damaging the needle seal when the needle is removed. Remove the material flow adjustment knob and spring. Then, pull the trigger and remove the needle. Install the new projector set in reverse order. Thread the cap liner adapter onto the gun fitting and tighten with a wrench. Next, place the disposable cap liner into the reusable cup. Be sure to prepare your coating per the manufacturer's recommendations. For trouble-free application, we highly recommend straining your material. Then, thread the reusable retaining ring onto the cap liner and tighten by hand. Firmly press the stem adapter onto the cup lid and thread the stem adapter nut over the stem adapter. Then tighten by hand. Make sure the air tube is firmly pressed onto the spray gun and at the bottom of the cup. Then, attach the air hose quick disconnect end to the air inlet on your spray gun. And attach the threaded end of the air hose to the air outlet on the cap spray. Switch the cap spray on. We're using the Capspray X115, equipped with Titan's new WhisperTech feature. This feature slows down the unit when you're not spraying to reduce heat and the risk of dry spray. If you'd like to use the Capspray X115 in WhisperTech mode, make sure to adjust the power switch to the left side to activate it. If you prefer to use the unit without WhisperTech activated, adjust your power switch to the right side. Always remember to protect yourself while spraying by using appropriate personal protective equipment. Using a scrap piece of material, pull the gun trigger to begin pressurizing the cap liner system. Once material begins flowing from the gun, you're ready to set up your spray pattern. Set the material flow by turning the material adjustment knob. Turn counterclockwise for more material, clockwise for less material. Turn the air cap to the desired spray pattern position. Vertical ear position for a horizontal spray pattern during up and down spraying. Horizontal ear pattern for a vertical spray pattern during side to side spraying. And diagonal ear position for a round pattern, best for a narrow pattern for detail work. The adjustment ring controls the spray pattern width. Turn clockwise for a wider spray pattern, counterclockwise for a narrower spray pattern. And finally, set the airflow to the correct setting for proper atomization of your material. When the arrow on the airflow knob is pointing to the 12 o'clock position, it will deliver maximum airflow. Now that you've finished setting up your Capspray X and are familiar with its features, it's time to test your spray pattern. Check out our TradeCraft Capspray X series application video for more tips on how to spray. And thanks for watching the TradeCraft Capspray X setup and startup video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.